It's about FING time, just ask Rob Lowe. The Parks and Recreation alum, 60, wore a shirt supporting Stella McCartney's winter campaign at the designer's Paris Womenswear Spring/Summer 2025 Paris Fashion Week event on September 30th. Lowe's white tank top said, "It's about FING time," in bold lettering, supporting the messaging behind the designer's sustainable, cruelty-free line. He paired the shirt with a periwinkle suit featuring a chain striped down the pant leg, plus a pair of white sneakers. Lowe was joined by his wife Cheryl Burkhoff, who donned a black lacy blouse and slacks with a blazer and dragonfly brooch. The NSFW phrase for McCartney's winter campaign calls its wearers to action to make a difference and save animals by consuming more sustainable fashion products. The collection features no leather, feathers, furs, or exotic skins. The cruelty-free fashion line is made of 90% conscious materials, according to the designer's website. It is a return to the essence of our woman, with exaggerated proportions, elevated textures, and earth-friendly innovations. The collection is a focus on the foundations the brand is celebrated for, a wardrobe of pieces Stella loves to wear, pulling from her life, personal archive, and design DNA. Eva Mendes and Ray appeared in the ad spots, posing with McCartney's new pieces in the top half of the ads, with animals matching the ensembles in the bottom half. "Saving the animals will save Mother Earth, and thus ourselves," the campaign reads. "It's about FING time" comes from the designer's father, Paul McCartney. He wore a shirt that featured the phrase when he was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1999. The designer has since embraced it as a rallying cry.